In the silence, I hear whispers of the past, echoes of a little girl, shadows she cast, carrying stories etched in her heart, memories that kept her worlds apart.
But there's a light breaking through the seams, a dawn of hope in the land of dreams.
She's learning to let others in, letting go of the rage, ready to find the truth, step off the stage. From shadow to light, she's rising above, leaving behind what she's unworthy of, healing the scars that time couldn't mend, on a journey to discover who she is again. Every step forward, a step towards grace, embracing the woman she sees in her face. No longer defined by the pain she endured, she finds a voice, finally assured.
Piece by piece, she's weaving her soul from broken fragments to something whole. With courage she stands, no longer afraid.
In the mirror, a new reflection made.